I enjoy driving. I enjoy driving. I enjoy driving. Hold the steering wheel. Hold the steering wheel. Hold the steering wheel. Fasten your seat belt. Fasten your seat belt. Fasten your seat belt. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. Accelerate. 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 Decelerate. 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 Wait at the traffic light. Wait at the traffic light. Wait at the traffic light. Watch for weight limits. Watch for weight limits. Watch for weight limits. Use your turn signals. Use your turn signals. Use your turn signals. Which lane should I be in? Which lane should I be in? Which lane should I be in? Change lanes. Change lanes. Change lanes. Make a left turn. Make a left turn. Make a left turn. Make a right turn. Make a right turn. Make a right turn. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Look for parking. Look for parking. Look for parking. Park your car. Park your car. Park your car. Pay for parking. Pay for parking. Pay for parking. Turn on your hazard lights. Turn on your hazard lights. Turn on your hazard lights. We need more gas. We need more gas. We need more gas. Find a gas station. Find a gas station. Find a gas station. Obey the speed limit. Obey the speed limit. Obey the speed limit. Read the signs. Read the signs. Read the signs. Pass on the right. Pass on the right. Pass on the right. Pass on the left. Pass on the left. Pass on the left. Use the bus lane. Use the bus lane. Use the bus lane. Stop the car. Stop the car. Stop the car. There's a traffic jam. There's a traffic jam. There's a traffic jam. The road is blocked. The road is blocked. The road is blocked. There's a road hazard. There's a road hazard. There's a road hazard. Go through the toll booth. Go through the toll booth. Go through the toll booth. Put the car in the garage. Put the car in the garage. Put the car in the garage. Change direction. Change direction. Change direction. There's a school bus ahead. There's a school bus ahead. There's a school bus ahead. It's a school zone. It's a school zone. It's a school zone. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. I've parked. I've parked. I've parked. Take the highway. Take the highway. Take the highway. Follow traffic rules. Follow traffic rules. Follow traffic rules. The parking lot is full. The parking lot is full. The parking lot is full. Watch out for slippery roads. Watch out for slippery roads. Watch out for slippery roads. Yield the right of way. Yield the right of way. Yield the right of way. That's a compact car. That's a compact car. That's a compact car. Turn on the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Watch out for large vehicles. Watch out for large vehicles. Watch out for large vehicles. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. Proceed. 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 I have a driver's license. I have a driver's license. I have a driver's license. Parking is difficult. Parking is difficult. Parking is difficult. I have trouble changing lanes. I have trouble changing lanes. I have trouble changing lanes. Turn on the indicator. Turn on the indicator. Turn on the indicator. Use airplane mode on the road. Use airplane mode on the road. Use airplane mode on the road. You need to slow down. You need to slow down. You need to slow down. You need to go faster. You need to go faster. You need to go faster. Put your bags in the back. Put your bags in the back. Put your bags in the back. Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Apply the brakes. Apply the brakes. Apply the brakes. Turn on the headlights. Turn on the headlights. Turn on the headlights. Make a U-turn. Make a U-turn. Make a U-turn. Adjust your speed. Adjust your speed. Adjust your speed. Turn on the emergency lights. Turn on the emergency lights. Turn on the emergency lights. Don't exceed the speed limit. Don't exceed the speed limit. Don't exceed the speed limit. Check the mirrors. Check the mirrors. Check the mirrors. Find a parking space. Find a parking space. Find a parking space. Recommend a nearby gas station. Recommend a nearby gas station. Recommend a nearby gas station. Don't use your cell phone while driving. Don't use your cell phone while driving. Don't use your cell phone while driving. Call traffic control police. Call traffic control police. Call traffic control police. The vehicle needs maintenance. The vehicle needs maintenance. The vehicle needs maintenance. Watch out for surrounding vehicles. Watch out for surrounding vehicles. Watch out for surrounding vehicles. Park in the parking lot. Park in the parking lot. Park in the parking lot. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Stay focused while driving. Stay focused while driving. Stay focused while driving. Maintain a safe distance. Maintain a safe distance. Maintain a safe distance. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. There's been a traffic accident. There's been a traffic accident. There's been a traffic accident. Turn the steering wheel to the left. Turn the steering wheel to the left. Turn the steering wheel to the left. Yield to pedestrians at crosswalks. Yield to pedestrians at crosswalks. Yield to pedestrians at crosswalks. Check the vehicle license plate. Check the vehicle license plate. Check the vehicle license plate. Be aware of surrounding vehicles. Be aware of surrounding vehicles. Be aware of surrounding vehicles. Signal when changing lanes. Signal when changing lanes. Signal when changing lanes. Step on the accelerator to go faster. Step on the accelerator to go faster. Step on the accelerator to go faster. Communicate courteously with other drivers. Communicate courteously with other drivers. Communicate courteously with other drivers. Follow the lights. Follow the lights. Follow the lights. Be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of your surroundings. Wear a helmet while riding. Wear a helmet while riding. Wear a helmet while riding. Yield to vehicles behind you. Yield to vehicles behind you. Yield to vehicles behind you. Slow down at intersections. Slow down at intersections. Slow down at intersections. Check road conditions. Check road conditions. Check road conditions. Bring the vehicle to a quick stop. Bring the vehicle to a quick stop. Bring the vehicle to a quick stop. Enter the airplane lane. Enter the airplane lane. Enter the airplane lane. Assess road conditions. Assess road conditions. Assess road conditions. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. There's a road hazard. There's a road hazard. There's a road hazard. Recommend a nearby parking lot. Recommend a nearby parking lot. Recommend a nearby parking lot. Park the car. Park the car. Park the car. Check both mirrors. Check both mirrors. Check both mirrors. Check the meter. Check the meter. Check the meter. Indicate your direction. Indicate your direction. Indicate your direction. Make a right turn at the intersection. Make a right turn at the intersection. Make a right turn at the intersection. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights.